Hi there, welcome to C Programming tutorial. This is the first lecture of C Programming tutorial. In this lecture I am going to talk about history of C Programming and ancestor of C Programming, and we will talk about also before the C Programming how many programming language will come and given the contribution to the development of C Programming. So let's get started. We'll meet in the lecture.
History of C Programming. Before we begin our discussion of the history of C programming, let's take a look at some of the programming languages that contributed to development of C programming. The first one is ALGOL 60. The root of C programming can be traced back to 1958 with the development of ALGOL 60. This pioneering language introduced the concepts of structure programming. These concepts break down complex problems into smaller and more manageable steps using sequence, decision, and repetition. This structure programming concepts influenced many programming, including C programming also, developed by a committee of European and American computer scientists in 1958 at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, and published in 1960, that's why called ALGOL 60. ALGOL 60 is not the direct ancestor of C programming, while the ancestor of C programming is BCPL and B programming. Before going forward, BCPL and B programming will see one more programming is called CPL. In the 1960s, combined programming language developed. Combined programming language, initially known as Cambridge Programming Language, was developed at the University of Cambridge in the early 1960s by Christopher Strachey and David Barron. Influenced by ALGOL 60, CPL was designed to be a more powerful and flexible language, suitable for a wide range of application including scientific computing, systems programming, and business data processing. However, while CPL was influential in the development of programming language, it was never widely adopted due to its complexity and lack of complete implementation. C programming history starts here. In 1967, Basic Combined Programming Language, BCPL, was developed by Martin Richards at Cambridge University. It was designed as a system programming language, particularly for writing compilers. BCPL was influenced by ALGOL 60 and CPL, but it was much simpler language, often referred to as typeless language, as it doesn't require explicit declaration of variable types. In 1969, B programming language developed. In 1969, the B programming language was developed by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs as a simplified version of BCPL, designed to be less complex than BCPL. It was primarily designed for the Unix operating system. Finally, in 1972, C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. It is a general-purpose language that builds upon the foundation of B, which itself was influenced by BCPL and ALGOL 60. C introduced powerful features like strong typing, structured programming, and a rich set of operators, making it a versatile language for various applications, including system programming, creating operating systems, device drivers, and embedded systems, compiler and interpreter, development, creating compiler and interpreter for other programming language, application development, building software application across various domains such as game, database, and web development, scientific and engineering computing, performing complex calculation and simulations, C standard and evolution. In 1989, the ANSI published standard for the C programming language was called C89. This standard was adopted by ISO in 1990 as C90. The subsequent version included C95 in 1995, C99 in 1999, C11 in 2011. The C11 standard is particularly relevant for embedded system. Ancestor of the C programming, ALGOL 60. This language introduced the concept of structured programming, BCPL. BCPL was a simplified language of CPL that influenced the design of B programming. B was a further simplification of BCPL and was used to write early version of the Unix operating systems. Finally, early 1970s, C programming was developed. C programming built upon the foundations of B and features using previous programming language. At last, we can say now, The ancestor of C programming is BCPL and ALGOL 60. Short note. History of C programming. In 1950, algorithmic language ALGOL 60 was developed. In the 1960s, combined programming languages developed. In 1967, basic combined programming language BCPL was developed. In 1969, B programming developed. Finally, in 1972, C programming developed.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more.